Crash Course, Argentina, Tango, Wine, and Natural Beauty. Introduction. Welcome to Argentina, a country renowned for its vibrant tango, world-class wines, and breathtaking natural beauty. Nestled in South America, Argentina offers a diverse range of experiences for international visitors. In this crash course, we will explore the fascinating aspects that make Argentina a must-visit destination. From the passionate rhythm of tango to the exquisite flavors of Argentine wine and the awe-inspiring Iguazu Falls, there is something for everyone to enjoy in this captivating country. Story 1. The seductive dance of tango. Tango, born on the streets of Buenos Aires, is a dance of passion and sensuality. Its origins can be traced back to the late 19th century, influenced by immigrants from Europe and Africa. Tango is not just a dance. It is a way of life for Argentinians. The sultry movements, the intense connection between partners, and the melancholic melodies create an enchanting atmosphere that captivates both dancers and spectators alike. Story 2. The spirit of Argentine wine. Argentina is renowned for its exceptional wines, particularly Malbec. The country's unique climate and fertile soil create the perfect conditions for producing world-class wines. The vineyards of Mendoza, Salta, and Cafayate offer breathtaking landscapes, where visitors can indulge in wine tastings, tour vineyards, and learn about the winemaking process. The rich flavors, aromas, and deep hues of Argentine wines make them a delight for wine enthusiasts from around the world. Top 12 attractions in Argentina. 1. Buenos Aires, the vibrant capital city. 2. Iguazu Falls, a natural wonder of cascading waterfalls. 3. Mendoza, Argentina's wine capital. 4. Patagonia, majestic landscapes and glaciers. 5. Bariloche, a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. 6. Salta, colonial architecture and scenic beauty. 7. Ushuaia, the southernmost city in the world. 8. Peninsula Valdez, a wildlife paradise. 9. El Calafate, home to the stunning Perito Moreno Glacier. 10. Córdoba, rich history and vibrant culture. 11. Quebrada de Humahuaca, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 12. Tierra del Fuego National Park, pristine wilderness at the end of the world. Summarizing our exploration of Argentina, we have experienced the passionate embrace of tango, savored the flavors of Argentine wine, and marveled at the natural wonders that abound in this diverse country. From the bustling streets of Buenos Aires to the breathtaking landscapes of Patagonia and the awe-inspiring Iguazu Falls, Argentina offers a tapestry of experiences that will leave a lasting impression. Poem. In the land of Argentina, where passion takes its form. Tango's sultry rhythm, a dance in the storm. Embraced in the city's heart, Buenos Aires' vibrant beat. A world of music and movement, where lovers' souls meet. The vineyards of Mendoza, a wine lover's delight. Malbec's luscious flavors, painting the day and night. The sun-kissed grapes, nurtured by the Argentine land. Create nectar of the gods, poured with a gentle hand. Iguazu Falls, nature's masterpiece on display. Cascades of pure beauty, stealing our breath away. The roaring waters, a symphony of might. A testament to the wonders found in Argentina's light. Song. Verse 1. In Argentina's embrace, a tango takes flight. Passion in each step, under the moon's gentle light. Buenos Aires, a city alive with rhythmic beats. Where souls find solace. On the crowded city streets. Chorus. Argentina, oh Argentina, land of fire and grace. From the wine-filled vineyards to the fall's majestic chase. A tapestry of beauty, a symphony of delights. Argentina, oh Argentina, a journey that ignites. Verse 2. Mendoza's rolling hills, where grapes find their voice. Wine flows like poetry, making hearts rejoice. And in the southernmost reaches, Ushuaia stands proud. Where nature's rugged landscapes paint a picture so loud. Bridge. Iguazu's thunderous roar, a spectacle untamed. As waters plunge with fury, leaving us unashamed. And in Patagonia's embrace, glaciers etch their mark. A dance with frozen time, igniting a spark. Chorus. Argentina, oh Argentina, land of fire and grace. From the wine-filled vineyards to the fall's majestic chase. A tapestry of beauty, a symphony of delights. Argentina, oh Argentina, a journey that ignites. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.